In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zip OneDrive files. We all know how essential it is to manage our digital files efficiently, and zipping them can make organization and sharing much simpler. So, let's dive right into the process of zipping files on OneDrive. Start by navigating to the Microsoft homepage. Microsoft offers a variety of services, and OneDrive is their cloud storage solution that we're focusing on today. Once you're on the Microsoft homepage, look for the Sign In option. It's usually in the upper right corner, though it might be in a slightly different spot depending on your device or screen size. Click on Sign In, which will direct you to a page prompting you for your email address. It's crucial to enter the email associated with your Microsoft account to ensure you can access OneDrive and your files. After entering your email, proceed by clicking Next, and you'll then be prompted to input your password. Enter it carefully to avoid any login issues. Once you've successfully entered your password, click Next to move forward. You may be asked whether you want to stay signed in. If you choose Yes, it can make future logins faster, but for security reasons, do this only on your personal devices. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the Microsoft homepage. From here, search for an option labeled All Microsoft, which is typically found in a menu bar at the top or through a drop-down menu. This will bring up a comprehensive list of Microsoft services. Locate OneDrive, which is their cloud storage service, and click on it. You should be redirected to the main OneDrive page. If you selected to stay signed in earlier, you'll go straight to your OneDrive dashboard without additional logins. Now that you're on OneDrive, let's proceed with zipping the files. Head over to the Home section if you're not already there. Here, your files and folders are displayed. For this tutorial, let's say you want to zip 3 specific Excel files. To select them, hold down the Control key on your keyboard or Command if you're using a Mac, and click on each file. All 3 should be highlighted, indicating they're selected. With your files selected, look for the Download option. It might be directly visible or tucked away within a menu, often represented by 3 dots for more options. Click Download. Doing so initiates a process where OneDrive zips your selected files together and starts downloading the combined zip folder to your device. This feature is especially useful for organizing files or when you need to share multiple documents via email. Instead of attaching each file separately, you can attach just the zip folder, which streamlines the process considerably. Once the download is complete, the zip file will be found in your device's default Downloads folder unless you've set a different location. To access the individual files within, you'll need a file extraction tool, but most operating systems already include this feature. And there you go, a straightforward guide to zipping files on OneDrive. This method not only helps keep your files well organized but also simplifies sharing, a valuable skill in today's digital world.